Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have someone awesome in your life and you're trying to find them the perfect gift to remind them how awesome they are and how much you appreciate them in your life? Naha Flume has these really nice gift boxes. This one personally I love. It's just a cute way of telling someone how awesome you think they are. It comes with several really nice items. My favorite is the tumbler. You can reuse it over and over again. It's such a cute saying. Sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder. So every time they drink from this cup, it's a little reminder that you think they are completely awesome. It also comes with these really nice little spa soothing items. You get a bath bomb, a little candle, and some chamomile soap. And let me tell you, those three things, when you open the box, the aroma is heavenly. It just smells so sweet and beautiful. You will love it. So will your friend. And then after they take that nice, hot, relaxing bath with that bath bomb, they will be able to put on the softest socks with this beautiful gold heart stitched on it. And the best part is you won't even have to wrap it, or if you need to mail it to someone far away, you can just ship it to them, and it comes beautifully wrapped in this really high quality box with these beautiful flowers and leaves and gold embellishments on it. When you open it up, there's this crinkle paper confetti. It even comes with a card for you to fill out. So if you also are looking for the perfect gift for that awesome person in your life, Naha Flume has amazing gift baskets. Go ahead and check them out. This one is super nice and it's really cute to remind someone how awesome they are. But that's just my point of view.